Hello, my peoples. Let's see, we got IncrediMail shutting down, or they're going to stop function. A lot of their functions are going to stop, so a lot of us are switching over to things. I've switched over to this OEClassic, not Outlook, not OutlookExpress, but OutlookExpress Classic. There's a difference between them all, and that's the program that I've downloaded. And we can make our stationery like in IncrediMail. We used Letter Creator. Well, check this out. Create a new mail here. If you go to the format, you see background color here, background picture, background sound if you want to add sound. Not going to do that today, but just going to make this as simple as I can. Background color, we can change background color by doing that. See, it changes. And that's really simple, right? And then you could go ahead and type on it. Let's see. Hello, this is my type. And let's see. Hugs on ya. So we can do that, and you can change the color of the type, of course, here. And let's see, if you got a signature added, insert signature, you can do that. That looks like it needs some help, though. So let's see. In order to make the HTML active, you have to click behind it or at the end of it, and then click reply in order for them to kick in and show. So that's a little weird, huh? But anyways, that's some things you can do. And if you want it in the center, you can click here and align it. But anyways, okay, let's see, back to the letter creator idea here. We can use a background picture, which means our background tile, and go to your to the place where you keep your stuff, like you did for Letter Creator. And let's see, let's go 2009. And there's a background tile. I'm going to click on that and see it's changed the background, right? Now if we want to insert a header, let's see, let's move that down. Maybe I could use a better version here, but you can right click and choose insert image. Then you can browse to whatever you want. Let's see. And just click OK on that. And we can center this if we want. Same way as we did the text center. And there you go. There's some pretty good stuff. And let's see, that's just what I wanted to show you. Now, I know people will be interested in using side borders because we use that a lot. And if you know anything about HTML coding, you could click on the source button down at the bottom left, and I'm sure you could change that way. But I'm not going to give an HTML lesson. I've not done that in this yet. I just found the simple way out. When you send this out, for most things, it will be received just like you see it when you send it out. But when they click reply, why then the background image is going to disappear. Why, I don't know, but it's just expect that to happen when you get a reply back from sending something out. But this is Hooty, and wanted to share that with you because people are interested in this right now that's been using IncrediMail. So that's all I got to say. Have a good day, and I hope this helps you out. Yee-haw! I'm tickled to death.